Whoa.
This one too. It's a nice one.
Sorry, thank you for putting up with us.
Tolerating our elevator obsession.
Oh, there is a first floor. Who knew?
Wow.
There's also Montgomery Kone.
Yep, but this one's MRL. It's an Ecodisc.
Wait, I've never heard of a Montgomery Kone MRL.
I mean, it sounds like an MRL.
It does.
It sounds exactly like an Ecodisc. It sounds like a monospace.
Dude, this might be a super early Ecodisc.
We'll take it back up to 3.
Yeah, I want to hear it. And then we'll go back down to 1, and then...
Yeah, it sounds like a Ecodisc. Yeah, exactly like one.
Dude, this is interesting.
I don't know.
I think this is a very early version of an MRL.
I like those ones.
I think this is a primitive MRL.
Before MRLs were like mainstream. I mean, there is Series 220 Ecodisc.
There are.
But usually not like one.
Sorry, I just wanted to get the start up on camera.
I need to hear that. All right. That's
Yeah, that was actually really interesting.